Hello dear friends, in my previous video for BSc part first, I have discussed about words in context. Now we are going to discuss on prefixes and suffixes. A large number of English words are created by a process known as affixation. The process consists in using meaningful parts before or and after base words for the purpose of creating new words. Suppose you want to create a new word, you have to add before or after the base word something that you can call prefix or suffix. The process of adding prefix or suffix is called affixation, and you can create a new word with new meaning. If they are used before base words, they are called prefixes. If they are used after base words, they are called suffixes. Both prefixes and suffixes, though not complete words in themselves, have their own meanings. And when used with the base word, they add their own meaning to the base words. One thing we should understand that suffixes or prefixes do not have their own meaning. But if you add all these suffixes and prefixes to a base word, they can give new meaning to that base word. Here are some words formed out by one word by adding prefixes and suffixes. Happy, you know the word, very easy word. If you add suffix to this word happy, it becomes happiness. Ness is a suffix. Unhappy, un is a prefix because it is added before the base word. Unhappiness, un and ness, before and after. So new word created here is unhappiness, happily, unhappily, just like that. Another word is care. You can add full as a suffix to that base word care, and the new word creates careful. Then caring, carefully, careless, carelessly. So all these suffixes are added to the base word care, and we have new words with new meanings. There are some prefixes with similar meanings, negative prefixes, which we have seen already. But there are some suffixes also. Suffixes are elements which are used after the base word. It is an element that can be added after the base word. These two have meanings of their own which they add to the base word. However, they unlike prefixes frequently change the word class of base words. If you add suffix, this kind of a suffix to a base word, the class of the word changes. For example, an adjective, kind, can be changed into a noun by adding kindness. Ness is a suffix. If you add this ness to the base word kind, the new word creates kindness, and which is a noun. Original, the word kind is an adjective. Hence it is convenient to study accordingly. There are some noun forming suffixes: al, ance, ery, ism, ment, neess, sion, iom, ity, hood, ship, dom, all these are noun forming suffixes. If you add all these suffixes to a base word, the word which will be created with the help of all these suffixes will be a noun. If you add al to a base word betray, the new word is betrayal. Just like that, refusal also. Refuse is a base word, and al, if you add to this refuse, the word new is created, refusal. Rehearsal is the same word. Just like that, anc means acceptance. Accept is a base word, and if you add anc to this word, the new word is acceptance, which is a noun. Disturbance, just like that. Forgery, treachery, ery. If you add ery suffix to the trech base word, there is a noun, treachery. Idealism, realism, real, ideal, all these are adjectives. But if you add ism to these base words, the word is created. Idealism, realism is a noun. Just like that, ment is also there, the suffix. Employment, enjoyment, movement, eagerness, quickness, shyness, decision, expression, revision. Just like that, hood, hood, this is the suffix. If you add this suffix to the base word child or boy, child is a common noun, boy is also a common noun. If you add this hood, hood, to this base words, you will get childhood or boyhood. Dumb, dom. If king is there, king is also a common noun, but if you add dom to that king word, you will get kingdom, stardom. So these are the words you can create with the help of all these suffixes. There are some verb forming suffixes also, just like ize, ise, en, ify, ate. These are verb forming suffixes. If you add all these suffixes to the base word, you will get a new word, and that will be a verb. For example, realize, socialize, customize, weaken, sharpen. If you add en suffix to the base word weak, new word is weaken. Ify is the suffix. If you add to clear, you will get a clarify. Activate, active is a base word. If you add ate suffix to that active word, you will get activate. Just like this, there are some adjective forming suffixes also, and the list of adjective forming suffixes is here, which have able, al, ant, ar, ary, ate. The able, if you add able suffix to reliable, you will get this reliable, real. And if you add able to this, there is a slight change in spelling also. reliable, new word is there, reliable. Then central, ancestral, circular, ar, if suffix you add to circulate, you will get a new word, circular. considerate, fortunate, careful, harmful, icy, horrific, gigantic, IVE, active, expressive, then foolish, ish is a suffix. If you add the suffix to full, you will get adjective foolish. Just like that, careless, hopeless, humorous, virtuous, troublesome, loathsome, dirty. Just y is suffix there. Dirt. Dirt is a base word, and if you add y to this dirt, you will get the word new word adjective dirty. Hidden, ian, hide, hidden. Love, loving, ing prefix is there. Quite often both prefixes and suffixes are used with base word, which makes the words more complex. Sometimes double prefixes or suffixes are used to create words. Non-renewable is a word. Non-renewable is a word. Actually, base word is new. Renew, re is a prefix. Non-renewable, non is also prefix. Able is a suffix. So new word is created here, non-renewable. Just like that, another word is industrialization. Industry is a base word. AL is a suffix. IZE also a suffix. ATION is also a suffix, which you can add to the base word industry, and the word new, which is created, is industrialization. Demonetization, this is a new word you come across before 1 year ago, I think. Demonetization means ban regular challans, cash challan in the market is the process of banning the rupees, current rupees or challans. You can call demonetization to this process. So these are the suffixes you have to study properly, and you will get some new words with the help of adding suffixes to the base words. So you can develop your vocabulary effectively with the help of suffixes also. Thank you.